I'm Brian at Iinuma. Our company is Strategic Systems Group. We are a Los Angeles-based IT consulting firm and experts in enterprise resource planning. I have with me my associate Ahmad Afzaal, and today we're going to go through a brief overview of the warehousing module in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Ahmad, go ahead.
Yes. Hi, guys. So we're going to start by creating first we need to set up a warehouse, right, in BC. So what we need to go is from the tell me what icon by a barcode, or you can say search engine. We can put a location because we need to set up our warehouse. It's our location, all the information that we need to enter. That's going to be part of that location. As you can see, since we are using the demo version, you can see there's already pre-made locations are already here in the demo version, but let's create a new one. So it's by clicking simply new. It will open a location card, and we need to provide all the necessary information based on the warehouse code. So we need to create every warehouse or location must have a code, right? It's gonna be custom, or if there's a prefix with the company processing system. So for example, let's create a new one. We will say Dallas in that word. So the code will be Dallas. We're gonna say Dallas location. That's the name. Or you can put anything else. If there's any text area code, if it's Dallas, you can see there's multiple cities out there, but if you don't see your city or any location code, you can always enter by clicking new. Text area code will be Texas. And if there is any jurisdiction code, we can enter jurisdictions. If not, we can just leave it as it is. As per I know, Dallas, Texas doesn't have any location jurisdictions. So we are done with that. We'll save this. As you can do, this Alex, and let's go back and change the description too. So let's enter a description into Texas, which I didn't enter. Okay. Now we have a area, tax location area or tax area code. If there's an address, we can say 000 Drive, city will be Dallas, Texas, zip code 75068. I'll put anything 75123. If there's a country code, we have to put a country code, but remember the country code will be set up within BC when we are on the implementation phase. So all these country codes and region will be entered when the configurations and implementation has been processed. So we put US. If there's any contact information, always be free to put that. No, sorry, contact. Ahmad, and I'll just put any phone number here. Email or any homepage that needs to be connected. Down on the bottom on a fast tab, if you can click on warehouse, you can set up your warehouse from here. If there's a required receiving, are we receiving any into the warehouse? Any shipment? Yes, we are. Any shipping we are doing through the warehouse, we are going to do that. Are we putting away any items? Yes, we are also. So all these items that you see here are all these fast tabs that is used for your business process. You can select or deselect from here, right here. Use putaways works. We might have worksheets. We might have that. So let's not get into that. Required pick. Yes, we probably have pick. We have bin mandatory. So we probably have a bin and shelving. Now, if we are doing a default bin selections, if it's prefixed or last use bin, so we'll just leave it to fixed bin. Any outbound warehousing, outbound warehouse handling time, some businesses might have that, so we will not put that in, but you will feel free to put these items in. Inbound, outbound time, Handling time is there's a handling time based on the locations, the travel time, or pick and drop. Any customized calendar. So if we have any customized calendar, business have any kind of certain time frame in a calendar that the warehouse need to process their items in, yes, you can feel free to have that customized warehousing. What that does is, when you click on customize warehousing, it will take you to a calendar, which also need to be created within the Dallas code. So right now we have 0, so we don't have any customized calendar, so we don't need to put that in. If there's a docking station, if we have any, we are using any docking, if the business warehouse have dock stations, we can click yes. If no, we don't have to do it. Any directed putaways and pick. Yes, we might have directions where we put away and pick, where direction comes from multiple locations or the corporate office, how to put away or how to pick those items. We can also select that as well. Bins. So let's jump into the bins. So bins are basically used where the item will be stored once it's been received, or item will be picked once it's ready for shipment. So you can set up all your bin items right here. As you can see, there's no bin code right now, but we can set up those bin codes via bin. So we will jump into bin module once we set up our warehouse. So we can come back here and we can select per item per bin or per shelf. That can be fulfilled later. You can see a different video where we set up bins and shelvings. As you can see, it's if there's a bin policy out here, is any certain policy that's been set up to pick and drop and pick, pack, and ship, or how to pick that through the bin or shelves, you can set up those policies here. And these policies based on equipments, if there's according to the bin equipment, or there's a SKU system that also attach the item, you can select that. If there's a bin capacity that you just set up, that what will be the maximum weight piece sizes, you can select that here. For the warehouse management, any warehouse class, if there's classes set up within the warehousing, so A, B, C class, or shelves A, B, 1, 2, 3, you can always select that as well. And these are all set up for directions for the warehouse management. Again, putaways, how to put away those items. If there's a pick, pack, ship, receive, pick, and put away, that all the settings will go through here. So once you have these filled, your warehouse is ready to process, and your warehouse has been created in BC module. There you go. We are ready for the warehouse.